In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel for beginners. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. What you want to do is open up your YouTube application. Once you do, you're going to be on your homepage. Then on the bottom right, click on the U icon, and then you want to go ahead and switch account if you want to make a new account, or it's going to prompt you, if it's your only Google account, it's going to prompt you to make a channel right now. So what you want to do is, if you want to make a new account, press switch account, and then make sure you're logged into a Google account that doesn't have a YouTube channel that's already existing. So what we could do is scroll down, and as you can see, I have a few emails right now that don't have a channel linked to them. So what I want to do is I just want to click on one that doesn't have a channel linked, and it's going to say signed in and everything like that. So what I can go ahead and do now is go ahead, and it's going to say create channel right at the top under my name. So that's what I want to go ahead and click. Now it's going to show how I'll appear, and then you can choose your handle, and then, you could, change your name to anything you want as well. So I've just put it to something like that. And then you can also add a profile picture if you want as well. Then just go ahead and press create channel, and that's it. Now the channel is going to be made. Just wait a few minutes for it to properly be instated to you and everything. And then if you want to make money, basically you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel upon obviously, making videos and everything. And from there, you're going to be able to be monetized on YouTube. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.